Hi, I am Gaurav and you are watching New Info. We will tell you in tutorial how to print selection in Google Chrome. We also helped you to convert web pages into PDF format. For tutorial, I have already opened a website where list of countries and capital have been given. First step is select text, which is list of countries and capital. Second step is press Ctrl plus key P to print. Now you can see it is taking 8 pages of sheets of paper. Third step is click on more settings and check selection only. It is still taking 8 sheets of paper. In the fourth step, we set margins to none. Now you can see it will print the pages in 4 pages. We save 50% of pages with the print selection settings. In the fifth step is select print attach to your computer. For this, you click on change button to select your printer attached to your computer. In my computer there is no printer attached to my computer, so I select save as PDF. This is most important step as most of the users select printer which is not attached to their computer, so they will not able to print due to these settings. If you are not able to print, please select the right printer. Sixth step is click on save button to save the print selection in Google Chrome. Okay, thank you guys. If you like our video, subscribe us and join